Elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal. It has very large ears, a long nose called a trunk, and uses it to eat, drink water, and wash itself. Elephants live in big families and are very intelligent. Zebra. The zebra is known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra has its own unique stripes, just like human fingerprints. They live in groups and can run very fast. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is a very large and strong animal with thick skin that looks like armor. It has 1 or 2 horns on its nose, which it uses for protection. Even though it looks heavy, the rhinoceros can run very fast. Camel. The camel is also called the ship of the desert because it can walk long distances without water. It has humps on its back where it stores fat for energy. Camels help people travel and carry goods in sandy places. Lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. Males have a large, beautiful mane around their heads. They live in groups called prides. Lions are very strong and brave. Tiger. The tiger is the largest cat in the world. It has orange and black stripes that help it hide in the forest. The tiger is a skilled hunter and a very good swimmer. Bear. The bear is a big, strong animal with thick fur. It likes to eat fish, honey, and fruits. Some bears sleep throughout the whole winter in a long rest called hibernation. Crocodile. The crocodile lives in water and has a big mouth with sharp teeth. It looks calm when floating in the water, but it is very fast when hunting. Crocodiles have lived on Earth since the time of the dinosaurs.